welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited about this one. We're diving into some new gardening gear. Today we're unboxing something that is about to make managing your grow tent a whole lot easier. So a big shout out, big thank you to a brand new sponsor, BN Link. Check them out at bn-link.com. And thank you for sending over this product. Not only did they send me one of them, they sent me three of them. So we can do this together. I will be showing you how to set this up in a later video, and then from there I will be teaching you guys how to use this thing. All right, so check them out at bn-link.com, and let's dive into what we got here. All right. Oh, actually, before I do that, I wanted to share, these guys were one of the very first companies that I bought a product from when I got into mushroom cultivation and growing cannabis as well, because this was the very first product that I needed. And BN Link had some of the best reviews out there. They are not only affordable, but their products are top of the line. So be sure to check them out. Thank you to BN Link. Let's see what they sent for us. So they sent us over 3 of their digital temperature controllers. These things are awesome. And not only are they awesome, they are vital. You can see they come in pretty sleek, straightforward packaging, straightforward design, but this thermostat is all about efficiency, all about control. So let's take a look inside. You can see I got 3 of them. Thank you, BN Link. So stick around to the end of this video. I'll share with you guys, I forgot to mention this, I'm not going to keep all of these. Stick around to the end and I'm going to share with you how you can sign up to win one of these. I'm going to be sending out 2 of these to my viewers. So thank you again, BN Link, for sharing with us, for sharing with my viewers, and for giving me 3 of these controllers that I can send out to my viewers. It's awesome. Thank you. So let's open this up and let's see what we got. So what this does, let me tell you real quick, it hooks up to a heat mat and it controls the temperature. When you plug in like a seedling heat mat, I use these to monitor or to control the temperature in my seedling grow tents when I'm growing seedlings. But they're one of the best things for controlling the temperature in a mushroom grow tent as well. You can plug in a heat mat and use one of these temperature controllers, get it right at the temperature that you need. If you are colonizing your grain spawn, you want it at 75 degrees in your grow tent, you want 78 degrees. If you want it at 78.5 degrees in your grow tent, this temperature controller will set it for you. Not only that, it has a plug. So this one, I believe you can plug in even an air conditioner. So if it gets too cold, it will automatically turn on your heat mat. If it gets too hot, it will automatically kick on the air conditioner. How cool is that? So as you can see, pretty simple packaging, pretty straightforward. I love that about BN Link because it's all about just giving you what you need and giving you a really good quality product. So it's pretty straightforward. This is a temperature controller itself. This is the plug where you plug in your seedling mat, your heat mat, or your heater, or your air conditioner. So you can see there's a plug for cooling, there's a plug for heating. So it depends on what systems you have. And then there is a temperature probe. So this goes right inside your grow tent, and this is what monitors the temperature. And this is what will kick on the heater or the cooler, the heating, the cooling, depending on what you need. So you can see we have the controller itself. It's got this dual digital outlet. It's got the high accuracy. This is a waterproof sensor, by the way. So this thing's ready to handle both heating and cooling systems simultaneously. And it's perfect for maintaining an ideal environment inside your grow tent. That's what it's all about. So let's talk about some of the features. It's not just for your grow tent. It's versatile enough. It can be used for seedling germination. It can be used for if you're into any type of brewing or fermentation, or even your aquarium, actually. If you are, I forgot about that. If you have a fish, if you have an aquarium, you need to have that water at a certain temperature, you can use this. It's incredible. So pretty much anywhere that you need a precise temperature, this temperature controller will do it for you. The sensor probe, it can handle a wide range of temperatures from negative 58 degrees all the way up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can keep pretty much any environment perfectly tuned. It's really incredible. So with this controller working with such a wide range of temperatures, it really has you covered no matter what your setup is. And the setup, I'll do this in a different video, but it's super simple. You just set the probe, plug your devices into this, and select your desired temperature, click set, and then you forget it. Super easy. Let me tell you why I like this and use it. It's super affordable, super simple, super easy to use, but it really combines that reliability and safety factor that you look for. You don't have to worry about accidentally overheating spawn or your seedlings. That's a big thing. Those temperature mats get up to 100 and some degrees. So if you're sitting your seedlings underneath of there, it can really overheat your seedlings, or your grain spawn is going to overheat your tent. You don't want that. And then you've just got a jar full of mush instead of beautiful mycelium. So this comes with overload protection. You don't have to worry about any type of electrical issues. It has a waterproof sensor, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills. And then the best part, you're getting all of this for $32.99 right now. That's it. And that's with the cooling and the heating. Usually these things run for 50 bucks, I think, but right now it's on sale, and it's really a steal for a device that brings professional grade control to your home setup. Be sure to check these out. They're on sale right now. If you're looking for a gardening, or you're looking for a way to up your gardening game, or if you simply want to take the guesswork out of that temperature management, like I had to do because I was burning my seedlings, this temperature controller from BN Link, it's a must-have. So whether you're a seasoned grower, whether you're just starting out, this tool is going to keep your plants happy, is going to keep your fish happy, is going to keep your whether you're brewing wine or beer, is going to keep your yeast happy. Be sure to get one of these digital temperature controllers. Thank you so much to BN Link. Be sure to check them out, bn-link.com. They've got a ton of products. A lot of them are on sale right now. And then check them out at the link below. And then if you want to win one of these, like I said, I have 2 of these to give away. Here's what you need to do. You need to go to my website. It's theconsciouscultivator.com. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see in my footer, I have a little sign up box down there. It says sign up for my giveaway. The first 2 people that go there and give me your email address, I'll reach out to you. I'll get your address and I will mail you one of these. So you have to go to my website again. This is how you win one. theconsciouscultivator.com. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. There's a sign up. Put your email address in there. I'll send it to the first 2 people. There are a couple other places to sign up. You can't sign up there. You got to go all the way down to the bottom one. That's my trick here. I've got to make sure that you're listening. So go to my website one more time, theconsciouscultivator.com. I'll put a link below. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Put in your email address. The first 2 people that do that, they're going to win one of these. I'll announce it on the next video, who those winners are. The next video, we're going to actually be setting this up in my grow tent with some seedlings from my other new sponsor who sent me this incredible seed pack, Lush and Dew, this seed bank. Check this out, by the way. How cool is this? I have another video promoting this companion seed pack from Lush and Dew. But I'm going to be using these together. I'm going to be using the temperature controller to grow some of these seeds. It's going to be incredible. So go to theconsciouscultivator.com, scroll down to the bottom, sign up to win one of these incredible digital temperature controllers from BN Link. Be sure to check them out at bnlink.com. Get yourself one of these digital temperature controllers or something else. If you like this video, if you're enjoying all this new gardening gear that I'm sharing, please subscribe. Please share this video with your friend. Please give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoy it. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you all. Until next time, keep those gardens thriving. Keep them happy. I appreciate you. Be safe. Be smart. We'll talk to you soon.